Very good morning, friends. So, I hope you're all safe and healthy. Well, in the previous two videos, I have been extensively talking in terms of Appendix C to Ind AS 101. And in one of the videos, I was talking in terms of not restating the past business combinations, that is, availing the exemptions given in the Appendix C. And in the immediately preceding video, I was talking in terms of the company decides not to avail the exemption of Appendix C and you want to restate the business combination. So the question sometimes, which comes is that if you say that I am availing the exemption of Appendix C, would there be any impact on goodwill? And if yes, when? And if you say, yes, I'm restating the business combinations, would there be any impact on the goodwill? That means goodwill computed as per the previous GAAP. Will it undergo a change if the business combinations are not restated or if they are restated? I think let's put both the cases put together and understand that if you restate the business combinations, well, of course, the goodwill will 100% change. And if you don't restate the business combinations, would the goodwill change? Yes. When? Let's find this out. जो बच्चे मई और नवंबर 22 के लिए अपने सीए फाइनल की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, भाई आपके लिए एक युद्ध जीतने के लिए एक बैच है योद्धा। सीए फाइनल ग्रुप 1 के सभी सब्जेक्ट्स आपको मिलेंगे एक ही जगह और अनअकैडमी पर बैच शुरू होने जा रहा है 8 दिसंबर को, यानी कि वेडनेसडे को। और इस बैच के अंदर आपके साथ सभी सब्जेक्ट के टॉप एजुकेटर्स जुड़ेंगे। इस बैच के अंदर लॉ ले रहे हैं अमित पोपली सर, मैं ले रहा हूं फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग, राहुल मलकान सर ले रहे हैं एसएफएम और खुशबू सांघवी मैम ले रही हैं ऑडिट। बैचेस के अंदर कोई आपका टाइम क्लैश नहीं है। हर सब्जेक्ट के बैचेस अलग अलग समय पे आपके चलेंगे। आप बिल्कुल 100% लाइव क्लासेस इसके अंदर अटेंड कर सकते हैं। यदि आपकी किसी वजह से क्लासेस मिस हो जाती हैं तो आप इसके अंदर रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स एक्सेस कर सकते हैं जिन पर अनलिमिटेड व्यूज अवेलेबल हैं। आपकी टेस्ट सीरीज, प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट सीरीज अवेलेबल है एंड एवरी 4th सेशन इज अ डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन। एक ही सब्सक्रिप्शन पर और इसके अंदर आप अवेल कर सकते हैं सभी सब्जेक्ट्स, ऑल द 4 सब्जेक्ट्स और सीए फाइनल ग्रुप 1। ये हमारे कुछ प्राउड लर्नर्स हैं जिन्होंने अनअकैडमी पर अपनी क्लासेस ली और उनकी रैंक्स आप देख सकते हैं। ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1, ऑल इंडिया रैंक 2 एंड 3। भाई आप भी शामिल हो सकते हैं इस लिस्ट के अंदर, बस थोड़ी सी प्लानिंग और थोड़ी सी मेहनत की ज़रूरत है। तो इसके लिए आपने करना क्या है, आपने इसके अंदर प्लान आपने चूज करना है जो भी आपको सूट करता है अपने नीड्स के हिसाब से, जो आपके बजट के अंदर फिट बैठता है। आप उस प्लान के बेसिस पर अपनी प्लानिंग कर सकते हैं। सीए फाइनल ग्रुप 1 के या सीए फाइनल ग्रुप 2 के या कॉम्बो ऑफर्स में आप कोई प्लान्स ले सकते हैं जिसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स के अंदर मिलेगा। और इन सभी प्लान्स पर आप 10% डिस्काउंट भी अवेल कर सकते हैं और इसके लिए मेरा कोड इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं CAKB10। इस पर आपको इमीडिएटली 10% डिस्काउंट मिलेगा। तो भाई किस बात का इंतजार कर रहे हैं, आइए लेट्स क्रैक इट। Well, let's go case by case with you. If you look at the first case, when a company says, I am availing the exemption under Appendix C and not restating the past business combinations, that means no restatement. Now, when would the goodwill change? Ideally, what comes to the mind is, why should anything change? If you're not restating the past business combinations, why should anything undergo a change? But if you remember, we had already spoken that there are two major principles which you need to keep in mind. One is that there could be certain intangibles or other assets recognized as per previous GAAP, but they need to be de-recognized. There could be intangibles and assets which are already not yet recognized in previous GAAP, needs to be recognized. But I think I'm focusing on the intangible assets because if you recognize any asset other than intangible in Ind AS or you de-recognize any asset other than intangible, the impact goes on the retained earnings. But there are two situations if in the previous GAAP balance sheet, intangible asset was there and we are saying it does not qualify in the Ind AS, derecognize, it affects the goodwill. If there is a intangible assets in the previous GAAP balance sheet and we are saying not eligible for Ind AS, derecognize through goodwill. So recognitions of the intangible assets, derecognition of the intangible assets will impact the goodwill which arose on the previous GAAP. And then, as we said, impairment of goodwill is something which is always done in Ind AS. So if there is any impairment of goodwill, that could also impact the goodwill which is already computed in the previous GAAP. And finally, there could be certain errors, and due to rectifications of those errors also, the goodwill could undergo a change. So let me tell you that this seems to be more or less an exhaustive list, that when a company says that they're not restating a business combinations, then we can say that there are 4 areas which could lead to changes in the existing goodwill as per the previous GAAP. Recognitions of the intangible assets under Ind AS not recognized earlier in the previous GAAP. Derecognition of the intangible assets recognized in the previous GAAP but not to be taken in the Ind AS. Then impairment of goodwill as well as the errors. This is on the case number 1. Now what happens in the case number 2? Well, I think the case number 2 is pretty simple. That if the company says Appendix C, we're not availing the optional exemptions and we are saying the business combinations are restated, well, in that particular case, you need to recompute the goodwill altogether. Then the previous GAAP goodwill is not to be taken in the opening Ind AS balance sheet. It's going to be basically done on a complete new set of workings. Remember the contingent considerations, etc., the contingent liabilities which could impact the valuations of the goodwill under the Ind AS. Yes. So this is a summary in terms of when the goodwill gets impacted if you don't restate a business combination or if you restate a business combination. That's all in this particular video. Thank you for watching. Wait for some more good videos coming on Ind AS 101. Till then, thank you, take care, and goodbye.